What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Deja, welcoming you back to Clockwise Crypto, where we bring you the latest crypto news and show you how to make money in this crypto space. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification just so you're alerted every time we drop these money-making videos. Okay, so in today's segment, we're going to talk about how Bitcoin is rising to the top. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, so before we jump into our news today, let's look at the fear and greed cryptometer for today. And today, as you can see, it reads greed. All right, so yesterday it also read greed, when last week and last month it was fearful. Okay, so it's actually a good thing, but I wouldn't recommend right now that people invest at this current time, because right now you have coins going to all-time highs. So you want to kind of wait until the market kind of corrects itself. So hopefully you guys were listening to me last week and the week before when I was telling you invest. This is a great time to build up your portfolios because the market read fear. Rates were low, or prices were low, shall I say. And everybody else, when everybody else is scared, that's when you should throw money at it. Okay, so right now it's greed. A lot of people are realizing, you know what, it's time to get in. Okay, so we'll just keep an eye on this every day, but I just wanted to let you guys know that and let you see what the market read. All right, so jumping into our first story, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin rise above 47K, and will Bitcoin price close at the end of the month reaching over 50K level. Okay, now the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin price, it was stuck below 45,000 for a long time. Now, though the bulls tried to break through many times, every single bearish movement took over the markets and pushed prices down even more. Now, however, the price of Bitcoin rose to go past 47,500 before falling back down a little bit. Now, it is currently trading at around $47,950 per coin, with an increase of almost 6%, still up significantly from last week. So if we go and look at the charts, we'll see, yes, this was around last week, and it's been going up so beautifully. So it did break this resistant level, and it broke it really strong, because as you can see, it consolidated a little bit. It right here, it went to this, shot down a little bit, then consolidated around this level, and then shot straight up. It's just went crazy. Okay, now the Bitcoin flagship is finally overcome all obstacles to return to 47,000 for the first time in 11 weeks. Now, for 3 months it experienced tough times, including inflation and the war, as well as the COVID-19 pandemic, but it still managed a successful comeback. Now, with Bitcoin reaching new heights, it's clear that Ethereum is following in its footsteps. Now, the last time this cryptocurrency was able to trade at 3,300 per coin was in January of 2022. So if we look here at Ethereum, we'll see it's pretty much mimicking what Bitcoin was doing. All right, so there are signs that suggesting that another bull run could be just around the corner. Now, Ethereum continues to climb as prices hit 33,029, within same as Bitcoin, almost 6% increase in the last 24 hours. Now, at present, both Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're up 15% in the last 7 days. Now, some other altcoins too are making a strong move. For instance, Cardano, which we're going to talk about in our next story, has seen its value increase more than 30% in the last 7 days. Okay, so man, I hope you guys got in, because if you did, your portfolio is looking pretty right now. All right, so we're going to jump into our next story, which is Cardano. And this one just pretty much says that Cardano price is primed to reach $1.80 in a month or two, and is it reassurance of a bull rally? All right. Now, Cardano's price during the past week was expected to break out of its bullish flag and hit $1.50, but instead it plunged hard close to the lower support level at around like one like a dollar per ADA coin, which could be an indication of more selling pressure in the coming days or weeks. Now, the weekend appeared to have been very beneficial for Bitcoin as it rose past 47,000. And while there is a green wave boosting ADA prices, they too will likely break out soon after. So if we go here and look at the ADA prices, okay, so as you can see, these prices just been going up. Let me put, here was a little resistance. And as you can see, it shot up past that one last week. Tested this area. Tested it again a few times. So you could have even got in here. And when it tested, even got back in here. And it rose up right now, right there. All right. But this is obviously this was a good opportunity to get in down here. All right. And you guys should watch these videos, because when I suggest really good times when to get in, and I've done several videos on Cardano suggesting this is a good time to get in when we were down here, you know, when it does these retests here. I'm telling you guys, get some Cardano in your wallets, in your portfolios. If you have some, get some more. You know, you can never, it's at great prices. And look, it was 87 cents and now it is at almost $1.20. All right. So the Cardano prices, they're going parabolic right now. All right. And they're climbing back to around $1.21 cents. Now, after it fell through a few days ago, and there are signs that it might be just the beginning. Now, the price is expected to reach levels above $1.60. And if that happens, then we're likely going to see higher close around like $1.80 in the resistance zone. Now, the bears may also enter in, which is expected, that there will be a slow yet steady rally in the near future, eliminating possibilities for huge spikes. Okay. Now, the current market conditions are extremely bullish right now, with the potential for growth following an increase in demand from traders who want to take advantage of this trend before it's too late, which is why we've seen that the market reads greed, because it's a lot of traders that want to take advantage. All right. You should too. Okay, so on to our next story. It says that the top 3 DeFi hacks and exploits that shock the crypto industry. Now, we all hate hacks. I know I do. I've been hacked several times. Not with my crypto, but with my bank several times. Okay, so we're going to talk about the 3 hacks that shock the crypto industry. Okay, now, people have lost millions of dollars to hackers when they are using DeFi protocols. Now, this is because anybody can fire up a protocol and implement smart contracts, which means that there are frequent defects in the code for these technologies as well, making it easy pickings if you're not careful. Now, in the wake of record-breaking cryptocurrency hacks, DeFi customers lost $10.5 billion in theft in 2021. Now, first it was the Poly network hack. Well, that was one of the biggest crypto crimes in history. Now, the drama began when a hacker discovered and exploited an exploit that allowed them to access contract calls. Now, they made off with $611 million worth of several cryptocurrencies. And 3 days after it finally came to an end when they posted their letter with a "Dear Hacker" greeting. It was crazy, right? Now, the second one is the most devastating cross-chain occurrences that happened in January 2020, which was this year, when Wormhole lost $320 million worth of wrap Ethereum. Okay, now wrap Ethereum is a cryptocurrency tied to the price of Ethereum on a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, the hacker attacked his leg where customers must first lock up their crypto while acquiring an equal amount for themselves by minting more avoidability print with wrapped Ethereum without locking it away from sight. All right. So the last big crypto hack was it surfaced in October 2021, and that compound had a bug, which was the best kept secret in DeFi. Now that enabled debitors to claim more than their allotted portion of the comp. Now the flaw impacted two of its vaults, or like pools of cash under the smart contracts. They lost 150 million. Okay. Now, to me, this story, and I preach this to always to all my investors and traders, that always diversify your portfolio. I don't leave all my crypto in one wallet. Hell, I don't even leave it in two wallets. Like, I have it spread it out over multiple wallets. Okay. And I just do that because you just never know. Things happen beyond our control. You know, good thing a lot of these companies, they do give you back your money. But with crypto, it's, you know, it's not always, I don't want to say guaranteed, but things happen and you cannot have your money. So I wouldn't put all my money in one wallet or one vault, whatever. Okay, it's just like how your parents used to tell you, at least my parents did, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's the same applies with crypto. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, so moving on to our final story, we're going to talk about the top whales accumulating Dogecoin. Now, will Dogecoin price surge above 16 cents in the next 12 hours? Okay. So, though it has been fluctuating in value over the recent months, Dogecoin is still considered one of the most popular meme coins with more than 800 million transactions per day, according to CoinMarketCap. Now, it seems like Dogecoin price is on the upward trajectory. In just 24 hours, it has increased by more than 6%, just like Ethereum, just like Bitcoin over these past 7 days, and we've seen a 23% gain. Now, the Into the Block data shows that over the last 24 hours, 111% more wallet investors have been creating transactions valued at 100K or higher. Okay. Now, the largest wallet's accumulation for the meme coin is bullish. Whales hold over $40 million in Dogecoin as of March 26, 2022. Now, in May of 2021, Dogecoin experienced a historical price drop from 0.0014 USD cents or whatever per coin down into the bear market, where investors waited for 321 days before seeing any sign of recovery. Now, after this point, a broader breakout for Dogecoin price could be about 16 cents. And if the meme coin fails to move past the said target of 16 cents, then this leads to a bearish narrative amongst investors. Okay. Now, the price trend for Dogecoin has been on a roller coaster lately, and it's not clear whether or when there will be another push towards the currency. But if this happens, then we could see an increase in demand that leads to higher prices. Okay. So that's all I wanted to cover today. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Have you guys already got some coins or whatever? Did you already get some coins? Do you have Doge? Do you have Ethereum? Do you have Cardano? Do you have Bitcoin in your portfolios? If you do, great. If don't, why? Let us know. All right. So that's all I'm going to cover for today. I want to thank you guys for joining me. Please go ahead and like this video. Share it with other like-minded crypto investors and traders and people that are just interested, okay? And I will check you guys out tomorrow. Bye.